Welcome back, YouTube fam. Get ready for an exciting ride as we dive into the world of Realty Income Corporation, a renowned real estate investment trust, REIT. In this video, we'll be breaking down key financial information and statistics that shed light on Realty Income's performance and potential. So, grab your favorite beverage, sit back, and let's get started. Let's kick off by examining some crucial financial metrics. First up, we have the P ratio. Realty Income currently boasts a P ratio of 42.07, reflecting the stock's price relative to its trailing 12 months earnings. Looking ahead, we have the forward P ratio. For Realty Income, the forward P ratio is 41.57. This metric gives us an idea of the stock's price relative to its estimated future earnings. To understand the stock's growth potential, we'll turn our attention to the PG ratio. Realty Income has a PG ratio of 1.86. This ratio takes into account the company's growth rate and P ratio to evaluate its value. Moving on to profitability, let's discuss the return on equity, ROE, and return on assets, ROA. Realty Income's ROE stands at 3.2%, while the ROA is 1.9%. These metrics help us assess how effectively the company utilizes its assets to generate profits. Now, let's talk about earnings per share, EPS. Realty Income currently has an EPS of $1.43. EPS represents the company's profit allocated to each outstanding share of common stock. Looking into the future, Realty Income projects an impressive EPS growth rate of 22.62% over the next 5 years. This suggests potential future earnings growth for the company. Now, let's consider the dividend yield. Realty Income offers an attractive dividend yield of 5.11%. This percentage indicates the annual dividend payout relative to the stock price and can be appealing to income-seeking investors. Despite having a high dividend and continuing to grow year after year, this growth is very insignificant since it is barely 3.5% annually. It's time to delve into Realty Income's operational efficiency. The company's operating margin currently stands at 23.9%. This margin reveals the proportion of revenue left after deducting operating expenses. We can also examine the profit margin, another crucial indicator of profitability. Realty Income's profit margin is an impressive 25.7%, reflecting the percentage of revenue that remains as profit after all expenses, including taxes. Let's take a look at Realty Income's financial performance over the past 5 years. The company has experienced a very positive evolution in profits and income during this period, highlighting growth and success. However, despite the strong growth in recent years, it has been a stock with a very constant price of around $60, which has led it to not improve the total return of the S&P 500 in the last 5 years. If you're curious about the stock's performance in the market, listen up. The average price return of Realty Income over the last 52 weeks has been minus 13.67%. Keep in mind that past performance doesn't guarantee future results, and you need to take a deep look at their financial health to see if the stock is undervalued. Lastly, let's consider Realty Income's market capitalization. As of now, the company has a market cap of $39.66 billion. Market cap represents the total market value of a company's outstanding shares, giving us an idea of its size and position. And there you have it, folks. We've just taken a deep dive into Realty Income Corporation's financial world. From key ratios and margins to growth projections and market performance, we've covered it all. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative content like this. Let us know in the comments below which companies you'd like us to analyze in future videos.